Do's and don'ts for pregnant women while traveling. While most advice is sound, not all of it is relevant to this day and age. One of the most common myths is that a mother-to-be should not travel. While long journeys can definitely be tedious and is likely to harm you and baby, drives around the city for fairly short distances can prove to be a much-needed break, allowing you to feel refreshed and less like a caged animal. So here are some essential safety tips for mothers-to-be while they travel by road. Pregnant women who travel to any country should take the normal precautions against mosquito bites, such as wearing long trousers, and using mosquito nets. She says that, contrary to popular opinion, DEET-based insect repellents are safe for use during pregnancy. There are no risks from airline security screening for mother and baby, nor from flying at high altitudes. The amounts of radiation that pregnant women might encounter in these scenarios are minute and will have no negative effects. In terms of practical advice, if someone is having a complicated pregnancy, or even had a complicated pregnancy before, they should always discuss travel plans with their doctor.